Hello and welcome. A very good morning to everyone here. Give me a couple of minutes for Instagram to get started. How are you all doing? Yes, welcome to this live. This is the second live from Chandigarh, and what a beautiful day yesterday here. We are completely mesmerized by the warmth that we have received. My entire team has received. Makes me so happy just to be here. It's a different energy altogether, and such a great one. A fabulous day yesterday. Of course, many of you turning up, and of course, lots of shopping happening. So that's a great thing. But what I also want to add on to that, and of course, online rocking as always. Me and my team are there online as well. So yeah, both the things going on. But what I also want to say is that so many of you coming in, Neve outfits, all dressed up, and एकदम दिल खुश हो गया. I think that's all that I want to say. I'm so touched by the general energy and warmth of this place. It's amazing. It's brilliant. Chandigarh, you rock. Absolutely. What a beautiful day yesterday. Okay. So yesterday was, of course, about statement dupattas. This is my brand new look that I'm wearing. Now, of course, coinciding with the place that I am, I have tried a salwar. And I think probably for the very first time, I think rarely have I worn a salwar. And I'm so loving it. I know why it's so popular now. It's so comfort, with style. And you can see that. Now, what my entire look is all about is Moonga on Moonga, both. And I'm going to come very close to you and, show this to you. It's all Moonga on Moonga, some nice detailing. The fabric is fabulous as always because it's soft, it's flowy, and it's so earthy you can be wearing it. But of course, what is also so fundamentally strong about it is the brilliant color. And I urge all of you to try it. These colors, I mean, whether you're going for a neon, whether you're going for a hot pinks, you should wear it, and if not for a very, very kind of a heavy look, then you try for your lighter looks. Now, I'm going to give you the maths of this one. Maths of this one is going to be, you're going to need 5.5 meters, and this is 3450 per meter. So you're going to need 5.5 to 6 meters. Of course, I'm not very tall, so you may need 6 meters. I needed 5.5. So 3450 into 5.5 plus 18,800 for the dupatta. Yeah, and the dupatta also, because see, the whole look is going to be, guys, of course, this is the kurta, and if you're wearing the kurta, you could just be wearing it anywhere, and it's a complete dress on its own. That's a really good thing. But if you want to complete it, then wear this beautiful dupatta along with it. This is a Moonga silk karwa dupatta. I did put a style video just a few minutes up, but you can see the whole look here. Now, this is a style of wearing it. You can also, you can also customize it in any look that you want. Now, this complete look, 5.5 meters plus dupatta is 35,050. So, that's your maths for 5.5 plus dupatta. Agar 6 plus dupatta hoga, to thoda sa बढ़ जाएगा. We are from Mumbai. We are a specialist of Banarsi, Bandhni, suit, fabric, dupattas. Ye collection or aisa collection you will not see anywhere, and that's my promise. It's absolutely unseen. That's what we are, always there for. But okay, let's get started. Now I'm going to get to some work. Enough of, chit chat in the morning. Now time for some work. What I do have for you are some beautiful. आज का जो live है, ये सब suit sets होने वाले हैं, and there are going to be lots of suit sets that you're going to be getting and having, and that you can see here. मैं ऐसे आपको दिखाऊंगी, सभी में bottom भी है. So these are the beautiful colors. Now this one is right here in a brand new color palette, and look at the Meena, the whole thing. It comes with a plain Moonga bottom, and it's absolutely fabulous. So this is the piece that you're going for. Many colors in this. You can see the amazing colors for you to kind of go for. Here it is. There you go. I love this red. Now, aise suits hai, these are about, the ranges are, I think, today it's going to be 22,000. I got some Georgette suits too. So 22,000 to probably 50,000. But you're going to see a hot variety of pieces. So keep taking a screenshot. Keep coming on WhatsApp and going for it. Now, that one was the Moonga one. Now, this what you're seeing here are the Georgette chiffon ones, So, there's a lot of Meena in it. Give me a second to just figure this out. There you go. You can see this. complete suits for you that you're going to be able to kind of wear. Hello and welcome to everyone. Our online, everybody joining online. So much love to you. So many familiar names that I see, and it's always amazing. Now look at that. That's a beautiful color. If you're going to be wearing this, it's a very light kind of a pink shade. Now the same thing we've also done, the good thing is we've also done it in Munga. So you have a choice, very similar color. Pick it up in Munga, pick it up in, Georgette. It's completely there. And all of these, so okay, when I say ready to ship out, of course, we have to head back to a studio, which will be tomorrow, and we'll be shipping out these on Monday. So look at that. Agar kuch dying hai, kuch hona hai, to sab hoke hoega. And then one nice bright color that I have for you are these. Now look at that. Here it is. Isn't it amazing? So yes, thoda to aaj brightness ka hai. Aisa nahi hai. I have a lot of pastels also. But I did want to kind of, thank you so much. And this pink suit, it's all about the fabric, guys. So you got to go for the fabric. It's a beautiful 3450 per meter. We have lots of it ready to go out on Monday. But agar or jayega order, so of course we will keep dyeing it and sending it to you. So yes, look at that. That's a lovely one. It's a hot orange one. I absolutely love it. Ask us for the pictures, the prizes. Very happy to send it to you. Now, from the Moong and the Georgettes, we're going on to some absolutely exquisite pieces. And this is a pure cotton piece. Pure cottons are a specialty that we do. Now, I'm going to show it to you this way. So look at that. And here it is. There you go. So you can see there's this brilliant pieces. Look at that. This entirely white suit. The bottom is also kind of made with, along with the kurta. Thank you guys. You're so kind. Thank you so much. And look at that. That's a beautiful one. Sona Rupa, just that touch of pink, this double border that's there. And it's absolutely amazing. Now, this is again a pure cotton Ektara suit. And the good news is that this was earlier at 50,000 and right now it's at 46,800, right? That's the price that it's come to. So that's the great thing. Yes, we have, because now we've launched our new collection. This is the last few pieces that I have available. If you have been eyeing this, collection, now is the time to kind of go for it. I think I have 5 or 6 pieces in total, and I'm going to show you. So yes, that's the end of the collection for us. The nicest, most beautiful cotton that you can see, with all of this made in Karwa. Look at that, the buta, and it's a 3-meter kurta. This hot color. Now this is a pure cotton. इसी cotton में हमारा pure सच्ची जरी के दुपट्टे भी बनते हैं इसी में, which we have brought to you in this way so that you can try it. I have last 2 colors and I think in total 5, 6, and yes, pieces. Now your chance to get this collection now, because it is ending. And yes, we have reduced the price from 50,000. It has gone to 46,800. So that's a great thing about it. It's a most beautiful, most softest cotton that you're going to be seeing. And there you go. I think it's a last beautiful peach color, the green signature color. If you have not seen it, then you must ask us for the style guide. There are so many, looks of it, and I know many of you have it. But yeah, last few pieces to go, so go for it now if this has been what you've been waiting for. Now here you go. Look at that, our brand new Georgette suits. And I love the fact that you can be wearing a geometric, not so typical buta, but all over geometric. And along with it, this beautiful dupatta. Hello everyone. How are you all doing? And I'm going to open this one so that you can see that it's actually very flowy. So look at that. It's absolutely flowy. Brilliant. And this is, look at that. This is the color in it. Here you go. This is, the flow of it. I have 3 more colors that are going to be going out for this. I will show them to you. We're also going to do the 22,000 suit set. So yeah, you can get that. But let me just start showing it to you here. This is a gray in it. And I also have a mauve. Now you can see the full look. So yes, if you've been thinking you want something but you do not want the typical buta, then this is your piece. Now look at that. It's absolutely brilliant. Last day today here in Chandigarh. Okay, now the good thing is that many of you, was saying, yesterday you were saying that you wanted to come, you were wondering what time to come, and then you came a little later, and then you kind of missed it. Now my thing is that we are here ready for you. So as soon as the live ends, and which will be about in another 20 minutes or so, you're most welcome to come. So just come Chandigarh. Do not wait for 11. You're most welcome to come from any time now. And of course, we're here till 8 for sure. Yesterday, I think the show went until 9:30. So that's your love. It's amazing. So yes, hum rahenge of course aaj bhi, but we are also going to be kind of packing up, moving, and moving back to Bombay. So yeah, the team is going to be added. But yeah, definitely you should come ASAP, which means now, to get these finest, most beautiful pieces. Of course, बहुत सारे pieces बहुत सुंदर थे, and somebody said, अरे I came to see that, and of course it had gone away because online सभी आपने बहुत सारे you placed your orders, and that was quick. So yeah, it's all about who gets it first. We are all showing it to you, and it's always it's for everyone. Now there you go. So this really, this is the last one, and these are, I'll tell you the price range of these. 1 second, give me a minute. I think 34,800. That's the price range for these complete fabulous suit sets. So this is 34,800. Now we go on to a range which is really amazing because okay, I will show you. I have lots of colors. मैं quickly उसको लेके जाऊंगी, and yeah, इनमें भी bottom है. There is a plain bottom. Now the next one is a fabulous one. These are how much? 22,000 dot, no 800, right? Okay, so just give me the kurta and this. All of these suits, okay, all of these suits are the 22,000 suits in Georgette, pure Georgette. Let's show you the fabulous colors. And electric, somebody saying, I want royal blue. How amazing is that? So these are tied up because, of course, hum log event pe hain, and we want to keep them together. Some of you came here yesterday and said, Arey, what has happened? I know, yeah, it's always a little chaotic, right? Because we are many of us, but still, we are always short given your love and response. It's amazing, actually. So, a fabulous day yesterday. I'll say that again. And we're looking for yet another massive response from you guys. Yes. So, really looking forward to all of you here. And Kal ka collection, many pieces still available. Lots of other things which I'm not showing you in live because it's not possible. Also, here, great statement Banarsi suits, fabric, dupattas, all of this. Now look at that. That's a really nice color. Many of such pieces coming to you. And Bandhni, we are a specialist of premium bandhnis. We are a specialist of Banarsi, premium fabrics, suits, dupattas, all of that and so much more. Now look at these. These are all these fabulous pieces, 22,000, and you should be going for it now. Place your order. Look at the amazing colors. And guys, don't wait for long saying that, let me think, and this is the time to go for it. Now, nice colors. All of these are 22,000. I love this one, especially. It's a beautiful blue. So let's open it and show it to you. This is a really pretty shade of blue, and both things are Georgette. Now Georgette, the fun is that, one second guys, it's just all muddled up. Now it's sorted, and I will get the kurta back again. Now the fun with Georgette, it is so wearable, and look at that. You want the Firozi color, go for it guys. Just go on. This is the bottom that's there with all of these. So look at that. It's like full solutions to it. That's the, now look at that. That's so pretty, isn't it? The lemony color. All of these, 22,000 for the full suit. So I think we're done with this. This is probably the last one I'm showing you. Do I have more colors? Yeah, sure, I have more colors, but you'll have to come for that. And for everybody else, just come on WhatsApp. These are there. Go for it now. They're beautiful colors. Okay, something that everybody's asking for, and we want to show you what's available in the tussar fabrics, these fabulous colors. Look at them. So amazing. I mean, how much pink can one have on the screen? This much. Pink, all different different colors. यही मजा है रंगों का, यही मजा है. You know, you can have so many variations of each color. There will never be enough. But all of these are, I think, 2.5. These are all the Tussar beautiful fabrics that are available. I'm going to now give it a contrast a bit and bring it out with the green. So these are the 2.5 meter ones which are available, and you can go place your order now. Look at that. It's amazing, right? The brightness, the beauty of this color, all of this natural light coming in. It's an amazing day. Here it is. Now this one, all lavender, so pretty. Now, how to style it? I've done an A-line. If you need like a just like a loose kurta and pants, like you can make just like a cord look, in the sense that you can go for a plain munga bottom. Yesterday I was pairing it with satin stripes. You know, it's a premium fabric, but the satin stripes on its own, it's so amazing. So, you know, those stripe fabrics, you need to try them and wear them. Now one brilliant, okay, let's try black. We've done so much pink. Okay, I'm now going to show you one prettiest munga silk suits, and there you go. Look at that. It's absolutely divine, the whole look of it. एक मिनट, ये पूरा thread में फंस गया. I'm trying to just show it to you. Wait 1 second. Should I bring it like this or should I leave this? Okay, now probably, is it better? Yes, now it's better. Okay, I figured it out. This one amazing Munga suit. How striking is that? Completely made in Karwa. And look at the finishing. Look at the beauty of it. It's the most beautiful fabric in Karwa. That's the dupatta. It's absolutely awesome. Here it is. Now there you go. That's the full look. Iska bottom bhi Munga hai. And yes, it's been woven together. Now you can see how amazing that color is. So there you go. Isi mein I have more colors coming up, and that's what I'm going to show you. One is this mehndi green color. I think it's so different from all of your, you know, regular colors that we do, but each has its own look. Now look at that. Very soft, very soft. So look at that. It's just moving on its own. This brilliant suit. Come with a screenshot and just, you know, share what you like, whether you're going to be in the studio. And this one, the last one, this Rani pink. Look at the bottom. It's so amazing. It also has this border, so it's like a really premium look. And so there is this bottom, there is this kurta. It's so classy. These amazing tassels to go with. It's something very different. Now lots of new colors in linen suit, 34,800, which is what I'm going to go for now. And we are going to go and show them to you really quickly. Pick up one that you love the most. So yes, lots of linen suits for you. Each one of these 34,800, and I'm going to show them to you like this. Go for it. Here it is. Take a screenshot, you know, and find your perfect one. That was a lemon. This is a beautiful, gorgeous red. 34,800. Our brand new palette in these amazing suits. You know, chic, wearable, beautiful, classy. You know, and so contemporary. That's what it is all about. Each one a very quick look for you. And of course हम आए हैं तो आपको हम दिखा भी रहे हैं, because you know so many of you said, I just saw the live and came. It just kind of clears up my head कि मुझे exactly पता होता है what am I looking for. So I think it's a fabulous idea, but my only thing is don't wait too long and come quickly. Now whether it's going to be here in Chandigarh, okay, we are at the Hyatt Centric Sector 17 on the first floor. I think there was some confusion on that yesterday. On the first floor, and we are in Centric Studio 2, and yes, all day long. Brilliant, isn't it? This one amazing look here. So much to show you guys in all of this. Of course, pura, you know, the whole entire room is filled up with our beautiful pieces, be it bandhni, be it silk, be it, you know, suit sets of different kinds, and lots of Katan silk suit sets as well. Now this, see that, that's a purple shade. Couple of last colors जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. Let's just go for the last 2-3 and then we are done. Is this one. Now here you go. This is a blue. You know why I made this color? I made it only because we were coming here. Some colors are so tricky to catch on the screen. But this one, I think, we were sure, of course, that many of you want to go to see it, so we brought it, and it's a brilliant one. Kurta maine ulta pakda hua tha. Now you can see the look. I'll do this very nice. Look at that. Here it is. It's a mango. It's so different, each one of these colors. Enjoy wearing them. This and this. Last two colors that I'm doing is this. This is a beautiful, beautiful yellow. Look at that. It's such an amazing shade. So very rich. I think it looks absolutely fabulous. Go find your favorite one now. And this is the last one that I have with me now. So I think we're almost done. We just have a couple of Munga suits also, which we want to show you. Oh, so pretty. Here it is. I think it's absolutely amazing. 34,800. All of these suit sets. And yes, we are also launching more than a new look. Yeah, it's a new look because fabric, Munga, we've done the A lines. We have done the same on same. We have done the straight silhouettes. It's something that, of comfort and style together. And, just wear it easy, breezy, without dupatta, with dupatta. Now, let's show you some of. So, yesterday I did all katans. But today I'm going to show you some very different dupattas. All different materials. And, of course, linen. Linen is also something I'm going to show you. Now, look at this. This is a pure cotton. Again, the same fabric in which we make our Sachi Zari pieces. Yes, you will need lining. So I think there is a lining in both. Is there a lining in the bottom also? So yeah, I use lining for my kurta and the bottom. I think maybe not in the bottom, right? Yeah, so I've not used it in the bottom, only for my kurta. And that's because it's a salwar, it's a sleek salwar flow, so you can see how it moves. But now that make sure that, see, lining ke saath, the life kind of becomes longer, but the look is fabulous without it. So yeah, you can go for it now. You can see the whole look there. But I'm going to come very close and show you this beautiful dupatta. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Here it is in pure cotton. And this. That's a wonderful piece. So you can see that. You can see all the colors, all the Meena. Now I have something very interesting, which is our, look at that. What this is, what we have done with it. Our very popular dupattas with karwa borders in Georgette. We made them in linen. And what you're seeing is this fabulous color. Now, another look that you can do, because Munga and linen are a great fabric to wear together, is that you can go for this dupatta and then the Munga buta, we will dye matching it. So that's also going to be like you saw me wearing the Munga on Munga. I will wear it at the end again. But if you want a dupatta, and this one all karwa, this is 26,800, and if you're going to go for this, I think it's going to be so brilliant. Look at that. Look at the weave that you can see here. I think it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, it's a brilliant look for you to go for, and you can wear it. Look at how it moves. So linen and Munga, great pieces to wear together, which is why I am flaunting all of these. इसी के मैचिंग में ये हम आपको फैब्रिक डाई करके देंगे. So whichever one you say, you can have it matching. Now look at that. That's also a nice linen dupatta. This is the 20,800 one, and it's actually amazing. Now another one. So now let's show you this. This is like, actually I'll wear that pink and show, because that's also very similar color. Oh, this is just gorgeous. This is lemon. And this is, you can see that coming very closely to you. Look at that, the entire look right here. And that's the linen. But it is so fabulous, our linens to wear. We compose it very specially with, we do it with silk. Now I'm showing you, the pink is not same. But what I did want to show you is a look of Munga with linen. Now look at that. I think it's a really nice look. Of course, iske pinks alag hain. But what I'm trying to say is that if you're going to be wearing this dupatta, and it's a really nice linen dupatta with karwa border, with Munga, in the same color or in contrast, it's going to look amazing. Look at how it moves. It's fabulous. How it moves, really soft, very wearable. You can see the whole thing right there. So it's absolutely amazing. You can do the Munga. Of course, रेंज इसमें बढ़ जाएगी बिकॉज दिस दुपट्टा लोन इज 26,800 and my fabric is 3450 per meter. The one that I'm wearing, you will need 6 or you'll need 5.5. But if you go for the 18,000 wala 800 dupatta, which I'm going to wear again at the very last, usme of course the price will be, I think 33 something tha, right? 33,000 something. Oh, right. So now look at that, such a warm. Now this is again a linen dupatta, the 18,800 one, and oh, look at that warmth. You know, it's a beautiful golden yellow, and lots of discussion on colors. But the good thing is we have a lot of natural light coming here, so you can see the colors, and it's absolutely amazing. Look at that. I think it's so cool, even if you would like to kind of wear it on contrast. Now, one fabulous dupatta that I'm showing you, and this is actually in linen, but we have done it the karwa. You've seen the border ones. Now I'm going to show you this brilliant one. So look at that. That's a complete big bootas. So you're seeing these fabulous big bootas. I'm going to come closer and show it to you, of course. And then I'm wearing this, and here it is. So you can see these big bootas also there. You know, the Sona, the Rupa, the Karwa, all of it there, and along with the border, and it's linen. And look at the weight, look at the look of it, look at how it moves. It's absolutely amazing. So yes, you know, you can do a look that is red, but that is anything but your regular reds. You know, that's why we're here, to give you, of course, बहुत सारा silk है, बहुत सारे statement दुपट्टे हैं in katans and in bandhnis. But you also have something that is so contemporary. Now this dupatta, I'll just check the price. I think this dupatta is 28,800, but it's absolutely special, made in Karwa, Sona, Rupa, Buta, Karwa border. These are mind blowing. Ab inke bahar, I'm going to show you something which is very, very different, which is this. This is a pure cotton Karwa. Oh my god, how much pink I'm showing you today. But, you know, look at the variety of colors. You know, you can have so many different colors, and yehi to maza hai. This is a very light pink actually. It's pure cotton, it's Sona, it's Rupa, it's a jal one. Now, peaches aapko dikhega. And if you like cotton dupattas, there is nothing more beautiful, delicious than this. It's absolutely brilliant. I think isme 2-3 more colors hain. You can check that. Now I'm going to show you 2 suits in cotton. So many of you say that, you know, you want suits which are really nice and minas and cotton. This is premium cotton. Pure cottons are more expensive than premium cottons. क्योंकि premium cotton में एक धागा है cotton, एक धागा है silk. Pure cotton में दोनों धागा है cotton, which makes it very difficult, very time taking to make. So therefore, there you go. This is your full suit look. इसी का एक और color है, which is this one. And look at that. How pretty is that? हमें कुछ बोलने नहीं वाले, because yes, but I do have a lot of colors which I'm showing you. Now I'm going to take a totally different palette. एक मेरे पास ये सूट है which is this wonderful soft fabric. In fact, this is a very special composition where we do mal cotton and then we do silk with it, and it's softness beyond. Because you will see how it moves, you will see this. It's a premium full meenakari suit, very, very soft. Make sure that you have checked the lengths, the weights, whatever you want to know before you place an order. Of course, we will be very happy to give you a picture, a video of the piece that you kind of want to go for. Of course, remember, a lot of these pieces are with us here. Our time as such starts from 11. So if you're online waiting for pictures, now is a good time. Till 11, ask us. We are here. The inventory is here. My team, a lot of them are there in Mumbai, but unke paas pieces nahi hai. They're going to be handling the chat. Now, what happens, of course, they can't send you picture if none of us are free. So I'm just telling you how it is, you know. So now, of course, we are all there and we are just there for you guys. Brilliant Munga silk suits. And I'm going to show you some of me. Oh, look at that color. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely wonderful. Mix karke. So yeah, I think it's so pretty. This is just an amazing one. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you a mixed variety of Munga silks. Prices inke alag hain because that's the Meena one. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you all of these that you can kind of go pick out them for. These are like the 29,800 ones. Wo, I think they're the, what is the price of these? These are the 40. So I'll tell you that this is 29. those are 44, the Meena ones. This is 29, pure Munga bottom. Look at that, how pleasant and, you know, appealing it is. And that is so hot, like this is, you know, all of this. So these are the 29,800. Just go for them now. This is the pink. And now, beach mein I'll go back to the Meena ones. These are the 44,000 ones. And look at that. Again, plain Munga bottom. Inme Munga bottom hai. So yes, it's a, look at that. I think it's a lovely color. There you go. That's your full look. The dupatta, the bottom is here. So yeah, it's tied up. I'll let it go. And then you can have this. So it's a really nice piece. So I'm just mixing up the designs. Find the one that you like. Go without Meena. Go with Meena. Now ye dekho aap. This is the green one. These are the 29,800. Bahut choice hai isme bhi. So there you go. It's a very, very fresh color. Oh, I love this color. The next one, look at that, orange, and such a nice one at that. Most beautiful tassels. These are our premium Munga suits. Ye kurta hai. So this is 44,800. And of course, needless to say, her piece unique hai. So now is the time when you should go for it. Okay, I'm just going to do last 4-5 pieces. You know, let's do that blue. That's a very nice blue that we have. We'll also do the brown and the green. Let's do just these 3. And then we'll be done. Maybe the red. That's also a nice one. So this is a pastel color that you're going for. See, I could go live for the whole day. You know, I have that much pieces. But today I want to just show you this much. And they're absolutely fabulous. You know, the theme of wearing suits. And one suits that are complete for the season. That's my theme. मैं यही दिखाना आपको चाहती हूँ that, you know, I think so many weddings, you know, festivities, celebration, and now is the time you should be kind of, you know, ordering your pieces so that you can get it. What a brilliant, brilliant blue color. इसी में मेरे पास एक दूसरी design में I have a, you know, red. You can take your pick. I also have a green. Green also I'll show you the green. No, look at that. Isn't that amazing? You wear Munga mein, you wear this, and it looks so very different, you know. A brilliant green. I rarely make this green, so I think I love it. It's an emerald green. These are 2.5 each, and the dupatta, you can check the length, whatever you want to know. These are all Mungas right now that I'm doing. I think the last one, and there you go. This is the last one. This is a really nice shade of brown, so very different, that, you know, you can kind of just wear with it. Now, so that's it from us today. As I said, it's just going to be a short one, you know, just showcasing some fabulous pieces. Each one is a single piece. Please remember that. That's all that I want to say. Now to, of course, and everybody in Chandigarh, you're most welcome to drop in from any time now. We are here till 8, 9, of course. So just drop in, come along, and, you know, don't wait for the 11. The fabric that I'm wearing, this is Munga silk. The dupatta is also Munga silk. It's in this brand new color palette, brand new silhouette that we've done from, you know, this is a classic. It's going to be a new classic. And, you know, do not worry that this is a fabric, this is a color that you think you should wear or not wear. You should just wear this color. Give me the mass again. You know, 5.5, 3, 4, 5, 0. So, you know, for me, it needed 5.5. You may need 6 if you're tall. So, you know, so 3450 per meter, that's the price. And then the dupatta, which is 18,800. And so 5.5 meter plus dupatta. This is the 5.5 plus dupatta. It's going to be 37,775 for this entire look. 37,775. मैंने कुछ 33 पहले बोला था. Ignore that. 37,775 for 5.5 plus dupatta. Yeah, that's the right match. So 37,775. This is a color that you have. हाँ, मूंगा में अगर आपको कलर्स देखने होंगे हम दिखा देते हैं आपको. दुपट्टे डाए होंगे ऑर्डर पे. But this is our newest color, and I think you should try it now. It's going to look amazing on you and everyone else, and it will make you stand out in you know, a great way. We just completed showing everything, guys. I'm just going to post it. Go check out everything. Chandigarh, today is your last chance to come and shop in person for the first time, for the many times that you already have. To come and meet us for, you know, we would be so happy to just say hi to you. So, wishing all of you a great day ahead. Wish us the same. Last day in Chandigarh. Come on. And everybody online, These 2 hours are for you exclusively. So come on WhatsApp quickly and place your order for the suit that you have liked. Wishing you all a great day ahead. Wishes.